Hey friends, if you wish to open Windows Terminal as administrator in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button and simply select Terminal Admin. This is one way, and the other method is to search for Terminal and then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. And this is how you can open Windows Terminal. So this is an option. This is one of the options that you can do. Again, you can also do it through the run command and command prompt and all, but honestly, why go through all those complicated methods? Because if you can simply right click on the start button and open terminal admin, then why not? And yes, one more thing is that if you want to use the shortcut, then here's what you have to do. Press Win plus X and then you can select terminal admin. So this is the third and easiest method. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.